Solana value equivalent to 3,718.47 rands a coin. The present cost range 3,648 to 3,737.14. The earlier day close 3,676.84. The change was plus 41.63 plus 113%. Converse rate ZAR to SOL. Solana cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 6,410 rands. Exorbitant cost 6,410, while low cost 5,518. They found the middle value of cost 6,068. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 5,933, change for July 7.4%. Solana gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 5,933 rands. Exorbitant cost 73.64, while low cost 5,933. They found the middle value of cost 65.28. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 60.1882, change for August 16%. Solana cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at 6,882 rands. Exorbitant cost 85.42, while low cost 68.82. They found the middle value of cost 70,572. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 79.83, change for September 16%. Solana estimate for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at 79.83 rands. Excessive cost 99.8, while low cost 79.83. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 8,784. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 9,260, change for October 16%. Solana cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else, cost at 9,260 rands. Excessive cost 11,367, while low cost 9,260. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10,128. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 10,623, change for November 14.7%. Solana figure for December 2024. Before all else, cost at 10,623 rands. Excessive cost 11,549, while low cost 10,037. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10,751. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end 10,793, change for December 16%. Solana cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 10,793 rands. Excessive cost 13,396, while low cost 10,793. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,876. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end 12,5020, change for January 16%. Solana conjecture for February 2025. Initially cost at 12,520 rands. Excessive cost 13,087, while low cost 11,375. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12,303. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 12,231, change for February 23%. Solana cost expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 12,231 rands. Excessive cost 12,332, while low cost 10,718. They found the middle value of cost 11,702. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 11,525, change for spring 5.8%. Solana gauge for April 2025. To start with, cost at 11,525 rands. Exorbitant cost 12,825, while low cost 11,147. They found the middle value of cost 11,871. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 11,986, change for April 4%. Solana cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else, cost at 11,986 rands. Excessive cost 13,136, while low cost 11,418. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12,204. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 12,277, change for May 4%. Solana figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 12,277 rands. Excessive cost 12,304, while low cost 10,694. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,694. Solana cost figure toward the month's end 11,499, change for June 63%. Solana cost expectation for July 2025. To start with, cost at 11,499 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,273, while low cost 11,499. They found the middle value of cost 12,653. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 13,339, Change for July 16%. Solana estimate for August 2025. To start with, cost at 13,339 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,501, while low cost 12,603. They found the middle value of cost 13,499. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end 13,552. Change for August 16%. Solana cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 13,552 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,733, while low cost 12,805. They found the middle value of cost 13,715. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 13,769. Change for September 16%. Solana gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 13,769 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,314, while low cost 13,310. They found the middle value of cost 14,76. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 14,312. Change for October 39%. Solana cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset, cost at 14,312 rands. Excessive cost 16,667, while low cost 14,312. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 15,217. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end 15,577. Change for November 88%. Solana figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 15,577 rands. Excessive cost 16,934, while low cost 14,718. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 15,764. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 15,826. Change for December 16%. Solana cost expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 15,826 rands. Exorbitant cost 19,643, while low cost 15,026. They found the middle value of cost 17,413. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 18,358. Change for January 16%. Solana gauge for February 2026. To start with, cost at 18,358 rands. Exorbitant cost 19,958, while low cost 17,346. They found the middle value of cost 18,579. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 18,652. Change for February 16%. Solana cost expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 18,652 rands. Exorbitant cost 22,077, while low cost 17,624. They found the middle value of cost 18,876. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end 18,950. Change for spring 16%. Solana gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 18,950 rands. Exorbitant cost 2,601, while low cost 17,905.